Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful wrapping pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigan, gents sweaters, shawls, caps. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 for edge. And this is only of 2 rows pattern. So let us start now. Our pattern begins from right side. Slip first stitch and then repeat pattern. Purl 2 stitches and then pass 2 knit stitches on right needle and then first knit stitch over second stitch and then place second stitch also on left needle and then knit first stitch from front loop and then knit second stitch from back loop. This is the pattern. Now again second repeat, purl 2 stitches and then pass 2 knit stitches on right needle and then first knit stitch over second stitch and then second on left needle and then knit first stitch from front loop and second stitch from back loop. Repeat these 4 stitches till the last 3 stitches. Now last 3 stitches, purl 2 stitches and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row from right side. Now second row from wrong side, slip first stitch and then knit 2 stitches. Now our repeat pattern begins. Purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Second repeat, purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Again third repeat, purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Fourth repeat, purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Purl last edge stitch. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye friends.